Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to blur the edges of your image in Illustrator. So this is the image right now I have. So before we start, the first step we need to make sure that you should have enabled this option smart guides. It is already enabled, so we can move to next step. The next step is that we have to create a rectangle over to this image. So for that, click on this rectangle here and just create a rectangle like this. And now here we need to again click on window, and this time we're gonna click on gradient and just select this option radial gradient. Then right click on this gradient and click on cut. Now choose the selection tool and select your image, go to window, and this time we're gonna click on transparency, and here we need to click on make mask and click on this black thumbnail right here. Now here we need to go to edit and just choose the option paste in place. And yeah, you can see we got the gradient over to our image, and we have successfully blurred the edges of our image. In order to get the further options, we can just click on this gradient tool, and right now you have these sliders, and by adjusting these sliders you can just adjust the blur. Like if I can just slide this part towards left or right in order to increase or decrease the blur. So let's say I just move this to right, you can see we are just increasing the opacity of an image, and similarly we can just decrease this bar in order to make the blur more deeper. And not only that, if you want to distort this, you can do that too. Just go to this point and you can just move it upward, downward in order to increase the blurriness or decrease the blurriness. Now once you're satisfied with the results, it's time for you to get rid of this mask mode. So for that, you need to click on your image here, then just hide this and click on your selection mode. If I drag this image, you can see that we have successfully blurred the edges of our image in Illustrator. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.